guys, here we have an SMC OJ52 ceiling fan. It's a contemporary ceiling fan. I just call it SMC Contemporary, or reminds me of Casablanca Stealth, so I just call it like SMC Casablanca Stealth copy. Yeah. SMC, I just call it SMC Casablanca Stealth copy. Yeah. It is missing the light kit. I can't figure out how to wire the kit because he has 4 wires, and it's missing. But I have the light kit still, but it's missing this plate. But I wonder if anyone has one of these fans has a plate. Please let me know. The kit came with a wall control, came with a remote. Yeah. So for testing purposes, I have the included wall control. So this is low. No, SMC fans in my area are not that common. They're more likely common like the Midwest or Hong Kong. Newer ones are more common in Hong Kong, but it's really rare to find one of these in the US. If anyone has like a little plate like that, like the little center plate like that, please let me know. Please comment if let me know. And the low, it is you cannot find these anywhere in the US. You only find them in like Canada or Hong Kong. The SMGs are also common in Canada. So I'll go up to medium. And yeah. But this sort of reminds me of a Casablanca Stealth. And it does have a long down rod, so I have to crawl down to feel the airflow. Crawl. Here's high. Let's go do an airflow test. Feel the airflow. I do feel some air right there, but it's just more of a modern fan design. SMC. Yeah. So let's turn it off. Spin down. I can't show the light kit on because I don't have a light kit on because it uses 4 wires and it's confusing. And plus it uses a halogen bulb too. And I normally try not to test halogen bulb fans because halogen bulbs can cause fires. But this is a really rare fan to find in the US. They're more found in Hong Kong, China, or Canada, or the Midwest. But these are not common around here. And it does take a long spin down hand. Yeah, so maybe if I go back to Fanimation, which I might not go anytime soon because I'm busy with schoolwork. Plus, Jeff Doctor does the new Fanimation group trips. Hopefully, I might do a few fan donations. Maybe I might donate this fan, or it does take a long spin down time. If it hangs at Fanimation, this might be one of the spin down winners. Spin. And the rules are different, Fanimation. Now we do the schedule's different. The now we can tour at the inside of a ceiling fan. Those are the new rules. The schedule. How long as heck is this thing going? And just as long as like any modern fan does. Because it's a modern design and it's really heavy. Plus it's a really shallow blade pitch. Reverse the fan. It's still too long. The EnviroFan Silverline is really long spin down time, so I cannot show the spin down with an EnviroFan Silverline. That's because most steel blade industrials take a really long spin down. That's because they have steel blades. Yeah, stop. Now, I can't do spin down reverse because it will be long again. Now here's low reverse. Medium reverse. Does wobble a little more in reverse. High reverse. And off. Be really careful so I don't kill myself. Yep. Yeah. I can't do startup sound because it will just, I'll just have to knee down and I will hurt myself. So yeah. Thanks for watching.